Hey guys, Josh at ACE Northwest Ohio Home Inspections. Obviously on a roof today. We've got a newer roof. Everything looks really good. I get to the electrical mast here, and you can see the roof boot here. That they just used a regular pipe boot, and then they obviously didn't have the wires disconnected or whatever when they replaced the roof, so they just cut this one, and then they had to, because obviously you can't put this around the overhead wires here without disconnecting them, and then they just put a bunch of goop. Obviously this isn't the right way to do it, and you can see this one's already open or leaking. They make a special pipe boot for this that clamps around and kind of seals up on the split part here. That's kind of like a retrofit deal. If you're not disconnecting the wires, you'd have to use one of those and not do it this way here, which obviously isn't a best practice by any means. Just kind of wanted to show you that today, and I'll put a link in the comments or in the description about that special type of pipe boot for a electrical mast here. And this is Josh with ACE Northwest Ohio Home Inspections. Thanks for watching.